In the realm of superfoods, the humble papaya often flies under the radar. But don't underestimate this tropical treasure trove, especially when it comes to boosting digestion and gut health. Packed with a potent cocktail of enzymes, fiber, and prebiotics, papaya holds the key to unlocking a happier, healthier digestive system. And what better way to harness its power than with a luscious, gut-friendly papaya smoothie? Digestive Dynamite. Papaya's enzyme arsenal. Papaya earns its digestive accolades primarily through the prowess of its star enzyme, papain. Functioning as a miniature food processor, this enzymatic superhero diligently disassembles proteins into smaller, more digestible fragments. By lightening the burden on the stomach and intestines, it promotes seamless digestion and mitigates issues like bloating, gas, and discomfort. Yet papain is not a lone crusader in its gut-friendly endeavors. Supported by chymopapane for protein breakdown and amylase for carbohydrate digestion, these enzymes engage in a collaborative effort. Together, they ensure a thorough digestion process, preventing the lingering of undigested food that could otherwise lead to complications. Fiber Frenzy. Feeding your gut microbiome. Fiber emerges as a prebiotic powerhouse, serving as sustenance for the beneficial bacteria inhabiting the gut. These microbes are pivotal for digestion, immunity, and overall well-being. Papaya stands out with its abundance of soluble and insoluble fiber, fundamental for fostering a healthy gut microbiome. Soluble fiber operates akin to a sponge, soaking up water and creating a gentle gel that facilitates seamless bowel movements. Complementarily, insoluble fiber contributes bulk, thwarting constipation, and promoting regular intestinal motility. In this way, papaya's fiber content plays a dual role in nurturing the gut, supporting the flourishing of essential bacteria, and ensuring digestive harmony. Prebiotic Punch. Fueling a flourishing microbiome. Papaya transcends its role as a mere source of sustenance for your gut flora. It functions as a prebiotic, fostering the proliferation and functionality of beneficial bacteria. This symbiotic relationship fortifies your gut barrier, amplifying its capacity to repel harmful pathogens and stave off the risk of a leaky gut, a condition associated with diverse health issues. By acting as a prebiotic, papaya not only nourishes your gut microbiota, but also contributes to the overall resilience and integrity of your gastrointestinal system, creating a robust defense against potential threats and promoting a healthier gut environment. Smoothie Synergy, crafting your gut-loving elixir. Now, let's turn this enzymatic and fiber-rich fruit into a delicious digestive dynamo, the papaya smoothie. Here's a basic recipe to get you started. Ingredients: 1 cup chopped papaya, 1 cup spinach or kale, optional for an extra nutrient boost. 1 banana, 1 cup plain Greek yogurt for added protein and probiotics. 1/2 cup almond milk or coconut water. 1 scoop greens powder, optional for a concentrated dose of micronutrients. 1 tablespoon chia seeds for extra fiber and omega-3s. Pinch of turmeric for its anti-inflammatory properties. Honey or other natural sweetener to taste. Blend all ingredients until smooth and creamy. Enjoy immediately for a gut-happy breakfast, pre-workout snack, or refreshing treat. Customization Corner. Give your smoothie a personal touch. Embrace creativity by experimenting with a variety of fruits and vegetables. Think mango, pineapple, or avocado to tailor it to your taste. Elevate the flavor profile with a refreshing squeeze of lemon or lime, injecting an extra burst of zing. If you crave a thicker consistency, incorporate frozen fruits or toss in a few ice cubes. For an even more adventurous twist, explore the realm of spices like ginger, cinnamon, or cardamom, turning your smoothie into a sensational flavor explosion. Let your imagination run wild as you customize your smoothie, transforming it into a delightful and uniquely satisfying concoction that perfectly suits your palate. Papaya Smoothie, your gut's best friend. Kickstart your day with a papaya smoothie, unveiling a realm of gut-related advantages. Beyond being a delicious tropical treat, this concoction holds the key to a spectrum of benefits for your digestive system. With the potential to promote smoother digestion and nurture a flourishing microbiome, the papaya smoothie becomes a covered ally in maintaining a happy and healthy gut. Embrace the simplicity of blending, take a sip, and relish the first-hand experience of the papaya's digestive prowess. Transform your morning routine with this vibrant elixir, infusing your day with the nourishing power of papaya for a gut that's not only content but thriving. Conclusion: the journey to enhancing digestion and fortifying gut health through the delightful avenue of a papaya smoothie is nothing short of an exhilarating ride towards well-being. With each sip, you unlock a world of benefits, from the tropical fruit's enzymatic prowess to its prebiotic magic, culminating in a symphony that harmonizes digestion and nurtures a happy gut. The vibrant blend of flavors and the nutrient-packed goodness of papaya make this smoothie not just a beverage, but a passport to vitality. So embark on this flavorful adventure, relishing the fusion of taste and health, as your digestive system rejoices in the goodness of a papaya-powered elixir. Cheers to a journey where wellness meets indulgence. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. See you next time.